نحمده ونصلي على رسول الكريم أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Can I welcome all our guests, which is special guests, and I think I'm grateful to their come here today and mix our community as a Muslim community, and I'm sure this is very, very important event, first time actually, especially corner here, which is help us money thing. I'm going to mention a couple of things actually, is very, very important about hospital and corner office. I worked 14 years in hospital myself as an advisor to the trust to try to make better service, provide to the other culture and other religion. And I did that, and I actually very grateful to staff in hospital, not the general hospital. I was a staff, then actually was merged on Alimshire and also the other children's wing as well. That was very, very important for me, because I'll tell you that what I actually come to whenever any death calls, bereavement officer actually done all the work for me. He contracts the corner office, contract the everything, death certificate, and make appointment for death certificate in town hall. It done a lot of work, bereavement officer from the hospital. And thanks to Philip, their company actually, I actually, some money cases, we didn't even go to corner office to collect papers. The BNC actually went and even collect the paper for us. Make us a lot of easy, because it's saving time. And that's what they done actually. Grateful BNC as well actually, how they done work for our community. Money time actually, to ask them to actually collect the paper from corner office. And they did actually. And the corner office actually is another, Doris is good, in fact he's a good friend of mine, we've been for a long time. And his staff also very, very helpful has been to the number of cases. I'll just give you one example. One Sunday morning, death goes into a shop.
I've got a car which is blocking the car park itself, Y162RV. Somebody's here, if you can just remove the car. Y16, what car is it, right? Peugeot.
Right. Somebody will go to move that, please.
Yeah, that's me.
Right, can I carry on, because time is getting short. I think one example I'm going to give you, because Sunday morning when death goes on the shop, person gone from house to shop and he's heart attack and die in the shop. And the doctor wasn't going to give death certificate. And thank God actually I rang Mr. Doris and asked him to, if you can help us today to come to office and give us all the paperwork. The family come to me actually saying if you can help us. And he did come office, but also I went and doctor, we couldn't actually, his own doctor, he have a right to give death certificate, but he wasn't, he was too scared to give death certificate because it wasn't, in fact actually it's so many days because some patient visit to doctor, he can actually give certificate, but doctor was a bit scared. And I remember, the ring doctor, he said, yes, you can actually give certificate. I'm actually giving you assurance. You can actually, and because the patient visit you so many days before, and you can actually give that certificate, and the person give that certificate, doctor, and actually the same day we shift the body back home, Sunday. That's what I'm talking about, Sunday. And that kind of example is quite few other, but I'm just going to give you, saving time, just give you one example. And I think YBB friend actually done a lot of work before that, but once after Hillsborough disaster, we have a course in York. I don't know if you remember or not, we 2-week work together there. And how actually can actually overcome if there's anything happening in the future. Because I actually a counselor and I was fire service and civil defense service, I was a member of that committee there. So that's the reason they sent me to make sure actually city council and other departments go there. So it's happened actually this kind of thing because is Sheffield one of the unique cities in the UK, which is we can actually shift the body back home same day. That's only unique city, because I know I've been to a number of other cities, number of family and friends actually other city, and I've seen that different. Oh, take 2 or 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Sometimes Birmingham take more than a week. And this has happened. And this has happened because of the corner, because hospital staff, and DMC is all the people together actually, they work together. Cemetery staff as well also, they've been very helpful. They even done actually sometimes late, body gone to actually cemetery, and they did actually support us and help us as well. And I think we grateful the all department who actually help us and make our job easy. City Council also grateful because they are one person Saturday and Sunday available. If there's anybody that calls, so they can actually telephone person and he come and give you such death certificate as well. So it's all department actually very cooperative, and thankful to Doris, you and also other staff as well. And I think it's very, very grateful to all community. Is Sheffield a unique city, and you make it unique city actually for Muslim community. Thank you very much.